Welcome to Libertyland. I'm Marty.
And I'm special host, Gordon Spamsy. And today, we're going to be making the most lovely Spam Wellington. Why don't you say we get cracking, big boy?
Let's get cracking.
Alright, like any good Wellington, we're going to start out making our mushroom duxelle. The boys here got sardine oil. We're going to throw that in the pan. We're going to reduce the mushrooms, get out all the moisture, and turn it into mushroom paste. Mushrooms in. Get a little bit of salt. Help draw out the moisture. Alright, mushrooms have given up all their water content. Just gonna let them brown a little bit. Develop a beautiful flavor. Now, we're gonna set this aside. And then we're gonna get our Spam in the pan. Get the color on it. We're not gonna cook it. We're just gonna get it seared on the outside. Develop that beautiful flavor. Now you only want about 30 seconds every side. You want to make sure you get all the sides, including top and bottom. Get these rounded edges. We're going to take our Parma ham. Parma ham, and we're just gonna lay it down slightly over the next so that we can wrap our delicious Wellington. We'll take our mushroom duxelle and just lightly coat the Parma ham, and we'll take our Spam and right on there. Nice. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna wing it here. Imagine I said that like Gordon Ramsay. I butchered it. And there we are. Lovely. Now we're gonna put these in the fridge. Let them cool out before we wrap. While we do that, we're gonna roll out our puff pastry. Alright, we have our puff pastry rolled out. Now we're going to gently place our beautiful meat package on the pastry. And then we're going to figure out how the fuck to wrap this thing. It's not going to stick. Whatever. You know, I'm dropping the accent. This is what you're going to get here. This is what I was trying to make the logo. It's not going to happen. This is what you get. Oh my god, I did it. I did the weird wrap thing. This one's gonna turn out fucking good. I did the wrap thing. Now we're gonna put them in the fridge so they cool off. So they don't, a lot of the butter don't melt out. So this is what we're left with. This one is wrapped better than this one. This is the one that I figured out how to do the twisty thing with. So we're just gonna pop these bad boys on. Hit them with the egg wash. Just some egg yolk. Yeah, buddy. Alright, cool. Salt on the top. And And we'll do some decorative knife shit. Oh, something like that. We'll do it the other way too. That one's yours. I don't know why. Let's do the traditional.
Is that literally what you just did on the other one?
No, because this one is gonna.
Ooh.
Yeah. Getting fancy. So, right there. A little tiny baby one right here. All right. Then we're gonna toss this in the oven for like 20 minutes.
Hang on. I do the.
Oh, yep, it's the heat, bro. Because that fucking wave just hit me in my head. Was like, stop.
Okay.
Right. Bro, clean your oven.
Felicia.
I'm not proud of this, but I did it. We're gonna let these cool off for probably like 5-10 minutes, and then we'll be back to dig in. Hooray! I'm going wild.
Zach, I feel like you have war crimes to.
I'm not proud. If that makes any, if it makes any of this better, I'm not proud. Let's get this over with.
All right. So Zach, Gordon Spamsy, what are we looking at?
Well, you know, we're looking at the Spam Wellington, and if I'm gonna be totally honest, I think I kind of wanted this one to fail. But yeah, you know what? Let's just it's time to put my money where my mouth is, and my mouth is on Spam right now. So,
All right. Well.
oh my God, it's so crumbly and just fally aparty.
All right. Cheers, bro.
Oh God.
That is a. That salt hits you hard.
It's Spam.
That is a lot of Spam wrapped in a very good mushroom paste. Prosciutto. I'm sorry, Parma ham. It exists. It's in the world now. Zach, you've done it again.
I don't. Ooh.
You made a Spam Wellington. We should probably end this before I poop my pants and you throw up.
That was the wrong idea. I'm gonna throw up.
Okay.
We both don't feel good. This is a terrible idea. Don't do this if you're sick. Don't do this if you're healthy. It will make you sick. Just stop making stuff with Spam. I'm gonna go really, what, 5-6 more
I'm
months?
sweating right now trying to hold this down.
Stay free.
Stay free, guys.
I'm so sorry for everybody watching this. Put this at the end of the video. I'm really sorry. My Gordon Ramsay voice isn't on point. We got bored today. And we thought it would be funny. If you've made it this far in the video and through the ending part.
I was gonna say this is the end.
This is after the normal screen. If you made it this far, why are you still here? Go home. Go to your family, your children, your loved ones. Hold them. Because I don't think I'm getting back into the house after this tonight.